Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to get a TikTok account's link. If you want to share someone's TikTok account with your friends or followers, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok account's page whose link you want to obtain. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by clicking on their profile picture or username if you already follow them. Once you're on the account's page, look for the arrow icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the arrow icon and a menu will appear with various options. From the menu, select Copy Link. By doing so, the TikTok account's link will be copied to your device's clipboard. You can now paste the link anywhere you want, such as in a message, social media post, or notes app. Obtaining a TikTok account's link allows you to easily share it with others, enabling them to directly access the account and view its content. Whether you want to recommend a talented creator or share a funny TikTok video, having the account's link at your fingertips makes the sharing process seamless. Thank you for watching, and enjoy effortlessly sharing TikTok accounts with your friends and followers.